Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about the power of positive affirmations, how to use them for success on Michael's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Michael. Michael had big dreams and aspirations but often found himself weighed down by self-doubt and negative thoughts. He yearned for success, but it seemed like an elusive dream, forever out of his reach. One day, while browsing through a bookstore, Michael stumbled upon a book titled The Power of Positive Affirmations. Intrigued, he picked it up and began reading. The words on those pages resonated with him, igniting a spark of hope within his heart. Michael discovered the incredible impact that positive affirmations could have on one's mindset and ultimately, one's life. With renewed determination, Michael embarked on a journey of self-transformation. He committed himself to the practice of positive affirmations every day, repeating empowering phrases to himself with unwavering conviction. I am capable of achieving greatness. I attract success and abundance into my life. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. At first, doubts lingered in Michael's mind. Could mere words truly bring about the changes he desired? But he pressed on, understanding that the mind is a powerful tool and that by harnessing its potential, he could reshape his reality. As Michael consistently infused his thoughts with positivity, something remarkable began to happen. He noticed a shift in his perspective. Instead of dwelling on his limitations, he focused on his strengths. Rather than being discouraged by setbacks, he saw them as stepping stones on his path to success. The power of positive affirmations was reshaping his mindset, empowering him to overcome obstacles and reach new heights. With his newfound confidence, Michael pursued his dreams with unwavering determination. He applied for jobs he once deemed out of his league and received interview invitations. He took risks, knowing that failure was simply a part of the journey toward success. Each rejection fueled his resolve to keep pushing forward, believing in his own potential. Over time, Michael's efforts began to bear fruit. He secured a job at a prestigious company, where his skills and dedication were recognized. He excelled in his work, earning promotions and accolades. People around him marveled at his ability to accomplish great things and asked about the secret behind his success. Michael shared his story and introduced them to the power of positive affirmations. He explained that affirmations were more than just words, they were an invitation to shift one's mindset and embrace a positive outlook. He encouraged others to choose empowering thoughts, to believe in themselves, and to affirm their dreams with unwavering faith. As Michael continued on his journey, he realized that success was not solely defined by external achievements. It was a state of being, a reflection of one's inner transformation. He found joy and fulfillment not only in his professional accomplishments but also in the person he had become. The power of positive affirmations had unlocked a wellspring of potential within Michael. They had taught him the importance of self-belief, resilience, and a mindset that sees opportunities where others see obstacles. Through his story, Michael became a living testament to the transformative power of positive affirmations. So, dear reader, remember this: within you lies an untapped reservoir of potential waiting to be awakened. Embrace the power of positive affirmations, and watch as your dreams take shape. Believe in yourself, cultivate a positive mindset, and let your thoughts pave the way to success. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you'd like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.